Hi students, welcome to RP class. Let's see the problem. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. So first what we need to do? We have to do the line segment AB of length 8 cm, right? So what is a line segment? Line segment means it has a two endpoints, right? So AB are the two endpoints. The total length of the line segment is 8 cm. So using scale, first we need to do the line segment of length 8 cm. So 8 cm I done. So why it is a line segment? It has a two endpoints. So this one I am taking A and here I am taking B. So now we done the line segment 8 cm, right? Then next read the question. Taking A as the center, draw the circle of radius 4 cm. So A is the center, we have to draw the circle of radius 4 cm. So using compass and scale, we have to take the 4 cm first. So 4 cm radius, so 4 cm I took. Now A is the center, we have to draw the 4 cm circle. So I done the circle, 4 cm circle we completed. Then again you read the question and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Now B is the center, we have to draw another circle of radius 3 cm. So using scale and compass we have to take 3 cm, right? Okay. So I took 3 cm. Then now B is the center, we need to draw the another circle of radius 3 cm. Okay, we completed the two circle. Again you read the question, construct the tangent to each circle. Each circle we have to draw a tangent from the center of the other circle. That means what? If you draw a tangent from this circle, A is the external point. Okay. You need to draw the tangent for this circle. You consider B is the external point. So A is the external point for this circle and B is the external point for the other circle. So like this we have to draw the tangent, right? How many tangent we will get? We will get a 4 tangent. Why? Totally 2 external points are there. One external point we can draw the 2 tangent, right? So totally 4 tangent we can draw. So for that, first what we need to do? We have to bisect. We have to do the perpendicular bisector of AB. How to do the perpendicular bisector of AB? More than half of AB. Half means total length 8 cm. Half mean 4. More than half mean you can take 5 or 6. So both side we should cut, right? So same thing here also. Okay. Then next what we need to do? We have to join this perpendicular bisector. Okay, I done a perpendicular bisector where this intersect on AB. That point is I am taking M. Now M is the center, MA is the radius or MB is the radius. We have to do the another circle, right? So M is the center, MA is the radius or MB is the radius. We need to do the another circle. It will exactly intersect the B also, right? Yes. We completed the circle. See where the two circle are intersect. This point I am taking P and here I am taking Q and here these two circle where it is intersect, that point I am taking R and here I am taking S. Then using scale we have to join, that's it, right? So now B is external point mean BP and PQ are the two tangent. Or A is the external point means SA and RA. These are the two tangents. So totally 4 tangents we got, right? So we have to conclude, therefore the tangents are, Therefore, the tangents are, what are the tangent here? AR, AS, BQ and BP are the four tangents of the given two circle, right? So, let me explain one more time. So, first we need to do the line segment 8 centimeter. Then A is the center, we have to draw the 4 centimeter circle. Then B is the center, we need to draw the another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Then next we have to consider A is the external point, mean we have to draw the two tangents of this circle, and B is the external points, mean we have to draw another two tangent of the first circle. How to draw? Before that we have to do the perpendicular bisector of AB. How to do perpendicular bisector? More than half of AB we need to take, then we have to bisect. Right, now we will get the center, that point is M. So M is the center, MA is the radius or MB is the radius. We need to draw the another circle where the two circles are intersect, that points we need to take P, Q or S. Then using scale we have to join, then we will get the four tangents of the given circles. Thank you, students.